One day, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was going somewhere at noon, and it was too hot in the desert when he, peace be upon him, saw an old woman carrying her luggage on her head. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, helped her and took the luggage from the woman and carried it for her. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, asked the woman that where she was going and why. She said that I am leaving this town as I have heard that a magician named Muhammad, peace be upon him, is in town. As Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was very patient and kind, he, peace be upon him, didn't say a word and kept listening. The old lady kept complaining that why she was leaving the town. In short, the basic reason of her to leave the town was her misconception about Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was walking beside her and she didn't knew it. While walking with the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that old woman noticed that this young man have a brightness on his smiling and humble face, and she also noticed that his sweat is perfumed. She was very impressed. When they reached the destination, Muhammad, peace be upon him, put down the bag and was about to leave when the old woman said, "Oh, kind person, at least tell me your name." Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, replied, "I am the person because of whom you left the town." The old lady was amazed to listen that and said that such a kind, helping, and true person can never be wrong, and therefore she also accepted Islam.